State President ke BJP Meglia Unit ba Ernest Maury ulakno ba ki pulit ke Tura kila ñion beiñ ki nongtrei ke parti Tura khamtam Hadien ke jingsa kem MDC ke parti na kate ke konsensi Bernard and Marak ha ka janmiet ka arnul trik naitung arja arkwar ulakno ba ki pulit kila khot hajiri ki nongtrei ke parti shathanat bat pensong ki da ki kenta khamtam ya Wilbur Jidango General Secretary ke BJP Tura City halo ke jingsa kem Bernard na ka jing subadung kti ha ka ban penyai kam auria ha ka caka jongu ka rimpu bagan ha Idenbari Tura uba Ernest ulakantai bankanthoi walau lo ong bakadei ke jingkhanra ki pulit kami hap satya.
After we received the letter from the Tura city district, yesterday it has taken place that the OC of Tura, he called one of our party caricators and the General Secretary of the Tura city to police station for taking some statement. So we received and complained that they have obtained him almost 6 hours. And subsequently, they are on the way to call all the party workers and caricators for different statement which it is not known to us for what cause and for what reason. So today we have briefed this situation taken place in Tura with our caricators, our office bearer in the district. So we have decided to arrange one peace protest in Shillong and Tura, and we will ask the permission from the district administration. And I think within a day, 1 or 2 days, will give you the information, and this program will demand this protest here in Shillong City as well as in Tura City. Before Saturday, we are going to stage the protest against this harassment from the police for our party caricators. Because this is example, we don't want that the police of any district to mishandle our party caricators. That is the main motive of this meeting today. We have asked the report from the General Secretary, Mr. Wilbur Dango, about he was called to the police station, where he also is not knowing for what reason they call him, and subsequently the SP of the West Corals is instructing the General Secretary that to report every day. So, which we don't know the reason till today. You see, after this incident happened, an instruction has come from our central leaders to do some sort of inquiry, and we have already conducted inquiry, and we have already sent the report to our IRF, and we are waiting for the direction.
What is your findings?
You see, I have given in the press, it's the same thing only. I think I have only briefed that in my press statement.
Then you stand by the.
Yeah, we are condemned about this raid, which is not appropriate. This resort, whatever they say, farmhouse or resort, is running from 2019, and so far nothing happened. Why now? That is the big question. And the way they conduct the raid also not inviting all the media, which only one media involved. That is how. So you also are from the media house, you know about that. So it is not appropriate. Let's see. Let them produce the victim on the court, and within the course of time, we'll see that. We have already informed our central leader. Then I think they have already communicated to the concerned person. That's all.
Are you considering pulling out?
That is the central decision. We have sent the report. They will decide, and we'll follow up. You see, actually, this type of statement should come from the police department. It's not the duty of CM that will brief in the press that so and so has been arrested. It's the duty of the DG or the concerned police to sit and give the brief statement that yes, Mr. So and so has been arrested in such place. My concern is that the law should be equal to everybody. It cannot be that I'll suppress someone. If anybody do any wrong thing, we should treat equally. That is my request to the government. You see, if you call someone without the reason, it indicates to that. When you call someone, then you have to brief him. What is the concern matter? Whether someone has filed FIR or we are involved in any case, by detaining 6-7 hours, that is very unlawful. Maybe to demoralize our party cricketers, but we are very strong. We are the biggest party in the world, and we have government in Delhi. We have government in every state in Northeast, and even in Meghalaya also. Hopefully, we will lead the government in this coming election.